Igoti nene umuthi ni riathanire thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi irihe andu 132 aria monganagia giko kiara-ini kia Dandora guku Nairobi o mundu ciringi 25,000 kumana na kiria igoti riugite ni kwagararuka ihoto cia andu aya. Agikinyanira itua riri mucirithania OMOLLO augite thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ni egondereire hari kuruta wira wayo wa kuramata uria giko kiagirire ni guteo undu uria ucungireire makiri ma Kenya kwihe wira kiara-ini kiu wa guthutũkania giko.
Asserted and agreed with the claimants that there were substantive breaches of their constitutional rights, fundamental rights in the Bill of Rights, touching on the environment, and therefore the court exercised its discretion as is provided for to award the claimants damages to the tune of 26 million shillings.
Kugerera wakiri wao andu aya maugite makoretwo makirutira wira kundu gutagireire na matari na indo cia bata cia kwigitira na ni mongereire kuga faita iria monaga thutha wa kwendia maratathi ma minyore maria marogotaga ngirigithanio na mogwati maria mageragira kumana na miruke miuru na ndogo iria mahihagia kiara-ini kiu.
And we are saying that was a good judgment. It was a positive step in terms of the enforcement of rights under the environmental law, and to the extent that governments and governmental entities must be held accountable if they fail to do that which they ought to do as per the Constitution in terms of ensuring that Kenyans enjoy clean and healthy environment in terms of water and in this case clean air.
Ona kuri uguo thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi kugerera murugamiriri wa maria maturigiceirie Walton Wenga ni yugite andu acio matikoragwo mari aruti wira thirikari iyo na uguo thirikari iyo ndiri na wigiriki wa guthingata mirutire yao ya wira kana kumahe indo cia kwigitira makiringithanio na aruti wira 42 aria thirikari iyo yandikite kiara-ini kiu na aria iheaga indo cia kwigitira na kuruta wira wao.
If you go to the ground, to the Dandora dam site, you'll realize that there are, severe effects on the community. It's not just, remember in this case we picked a sample in terms of the waste packers, but you have those other communities and peoples that are resided there who are also facing the same environmental, consequences in terms of failure by the government to properly manage the Dandora dam site.
Ciro urahanditwo igoti-ini ni andu 5 handu-ini ha ciangi kuria marathitangite thirikari ya Governor Sakaja makiuga ni agite guthingata mendekiria mahonge itiganite imwe iria cia kimabũrũri ta bengi ya thi iria ikoretwo igika uthuthuria na kuonania kiara kiu ni ugwati kuri miturire ya muingi.